I'm pretty sure it's really dirty inside and corroded. If I measure it, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I will use my heat gun to soften some of the glue on the outside, and I will try to pry off the switch. This is actually a normal switch in a plastic casing to make it waterproof, and I set my heat gun to 200 degrees Celsius. Let's go to 350. That will be difficult to show, but everything is corroded in here. You can see some rust over here, some green stuff over there. So that's why it didn't work, of course, and I will try to repair it. I will first use some multi-purpose lubricant and a rust remover, and then I'll wash it away with some contacts cleaner with oil to make sure it doesn't rust again. And then I will use some contact cleaner with oil. I like the Tesla Nord brand. I checked to see whether the top contacts make contact with the lower ones, because I pulled it and I might have broken something, but it seems fine. And it's finally time to assemble it. Make sure you always take pictures of what you're taking apart. So now let's make a quick test to see if it's actually fixed. Perfect. Now I will seal it again. I will put some silicone to make sure it's waterproof and it will never break again, hopefully. If you like this repair video, make sure to like and subscribe. I will post some more repair videos soon.